Okay, so today we're going to show you how to replace a Nintendo DSL's game socket. So, the first thing to do is remove the battery cover, and for this you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Then take the battery out, and then lift off these two rubber pads here and here. And then use a tri-wing screwdriver to remove the 3 tri-wing screws from here, here, and in there. And if you have a magnetic screwdriver, it's handy for lifting out the screws. And then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove 2 gold screws from here and here. And also there's one Phillips head screw here, and we'll remove this one later. And then remove this one last black tri-wing screw just in there. And then the bottom cover is now all free, so to take it off, just run your fingernails all the way around the outside, and then the bottom part should just lift off. And then remove the 2 buttons, and to each button there's 3 parts: an axis, a hinge, and the button itself. And just try not to lose any parts. And then the next part is just flick off the antenna and microphone wires here and here. Just use a flat Phillips head screwdriver and pop them off. They come off quite easily. And then the black one is actually threaded underneath the game socket, so it's handy to just pull it out from underneath. And then undo the 2 Phillips head screws here and here. After you've done that, push the screen from underneath, and it will lift off the entire motherboard and screen together. And then undo this ribbon cable clip just here. And then you can pull the ribbon cable out, and you have your entire bottom motherboard comes off in one piece. Now you don't have to take off the bottom screen, but since you're going to be doing soldering and stuff in the area, it's just a little easier if you take the bottom screen off. So undo this tiny ribbon cable clip just in here. Just flick it open and pull the ribbon cable out so it's free. And then undo this ribbon cable clip here and pull the ribbon cable clip free, and then the bottom screen comes off the motherboard. Now the next step is to release the game socket from the motherboard. You can desolder it, but the easiest way and the cleanest way is to actually cut it off. So if you have some small tin snips or wire cutters, you can see that there's 4 areas here, here, there, and there, which attach the game socket to the motherboard. And there's also multiple tiny little, if you can see in there, solders in there that also attach the game socket. But you only have to cut these 4 to remove it. You'll see why in a second. So take your wire cutters and sort of gently cut each attachment. Just be careful. And then you can, once you've got those 4 attachments cut, you can actually pull the game socket off like this. And it leaves all the little prongs still soldered on. So the next part is to desolder all the prongs, which I'll show you now.